This is my old golf cart. My lead acid batteries, 3 of them had died, 1 was iffy, and 2 were okay. There's over 170 kilos worth. So I started looking around and I found these on the internet for 2,500 from Voltac. They suited what I needed, and when I was looking at the kit, standard range was for 18 holes plus. That would do me. So I replaced these with these in my golf cart. So these are two 27 amp hour 48 volt lithium iron phosphate batteries. So the replacement batteries weigh 25.5 kilogram, and that's a saving of 144.9 kilograms. I'm going to do a distance test today. I got prepared. I've got my generator and battery charger with me, just in case I overdo the batteries along the way. It's fully charged, ready to go. And just up from my place, I have a new bikeway, so I don't know, it's 2.5, 3 k's or something along it. So I'm going to use that to do my distance test. I started from naught, and I'm going to go up the pathway here, and as you can see, it's all very well laid out, easy to go along, and being a Friday, there's very few people around, and it doesn't actually connect to anything at the moment, so there's not a lot of people using it. As I cruise along, I've noticed that since I've changed over to the lithium, I've actually got a lot more power, and I'm now travelling at a maximum speed of 39.8 kilometres, which is huge. It's an extra 9 kilometres from what I had before. Well, I'm not sure if I should go down here, but what the hell, I'm in a golf cart. This isn't open to the public, it's cutting at the moment. It's a new area, new industrial area being prepared. The end of the road. You can see this is a huge turning circle for trucks, so that would work in with the industrial area and the large trucks coming in here needing somewhere to chuck a Yui. Coming to the end of the video now, so if you found this helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. As you can see, I ended up doing a massive 27.26 kilometres. The batteries were still going, but I figure that's enough. That is enough for me to do 3 rounds of golf, and I'm certainly happy with that.